Hello student, once again you are most welcome in this class in which I am going to teach you mathematics class 10th NCERT chapter 6 triangle. And today I am going to start new exercise 6.3 in which I am learned how to use similarity rules, that is triple A similarity rules, double A similarity rules, triple S similarity rules and so on. In previous exercise we have learned to use BPT and converse of BPT. Let's start question first, exercise 6.3, in which we have given that state which pair of the triangles in the following figures are similar. Similarity, there are three rules for similarity, that is triple A, double A and triple S similarity rules, and fourth SAS similarity rule, that is side angle side. Using them, we can say that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, here we see that angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. That is, in both the figure, we can use triple A similarity rule, triple A similarity criterion, that is angle, angle, angle. Hence, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQRY, triple A similarity rule. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here we use triple S similarity rule. Triple S similarity rules means 2.5 twos are 5 and 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6. That is, all the sides of this triangle to this triangle will be in proportional. Means AB upon QR is equal to BC upon PR is equal to AC upon PQ. AC upon PQ. That is why triple S similarity rule. मतलब हमें यहाँ पर सिमिलरिटी रूल भी लिखना है और किस प्रकार से ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो रहा है हमें वो भी यहाँ पर मेंशन करना है. तो ट्रायंगल ए बी सी जो सिमिलर है वो ट्रायंगल क्यू आर पी के है. ए बी मीन्स क्यू आर, बी सी मीन्स आर पी और सी ए मीन्स पी क्यू. In third question, we have given that MP is equal to 2, which is proportional in DE. PL is equal to 3, which is proportional in DE. And LM is equal to 2.5, which is not proportional to FE. That is, these triangles are not in similar. Triangle LM P not similar, triangle DEF because sides are not in proportional. Sides are not in proportional, that is, these two triangles are not in similar. Next question 4, we have given that triangle M and L and triangle PQR, in which we have given that angle M is equal to angle Q 70 degree and side MN is equal to 2.5 and side QR 10 or ML is equal to 5, 6, 5 is proportional to QR, but 2.5 not proportional to corresponding side PQ. That is, these two triangles are not in similar because corresponding sides are not in proportional. Hence, so we have mentioned that triangles are not similar because sides are not in proportional, because corresponding sides are not in proportional. Next question 5, we have given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to 80 degree, which is equal to angle F, that is 80 degree. Now, in this triangle, we can use criteria side angle side. But in side criterion and side AC not given. But in triangle DEF, both the corresponding sides, which makes the angle F, DF is equal to 5 and D is equal to 6. But in triangle ABC, AB is 2.5 and AC not given. That is, corresponding sides are not in proportional. So the given triangles not similar. Not similar because corresponding sides are not in proportional. Next and last question of this, last part of this question first. In triangle DEF, in triangle PQR, angle D 70 degree and angle E 80 degree. By using angle sum property, that is sum of three angles of a triangles will be 180 degree. 70 plus 80, that is 150 degree. Angle F will be 30 degree. In the same way, we have 80 plus 30, that is 110 degree. Angle P will be 70 degree. Now be comparing the all triangles are equal of their corresponding angles. That is, triangle DEF and triangle PQR will be similar by AAA criterion rule. Hence, angle D is equal to angle P, angle E is equal to angle U, angle F is equal to angle R. Hence, triangle DEF similar triangle PQR Y AAA criterion rule. I hope you have understand this question. Let's understand next question 2. Let's understand next question 2, in which we have given that triangle ODC similar triangle OVA, and we have given angle D is equal to 70 degree, and we have given angle let's start next question 2, in which we have given that triangle ODC similar triangle OVA, in which angle D is equal to 70 degree and angle BOC 125 degree. We have to find angle A, angle O and angle C. Let's understand angle BOC plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree by linear pair property. Linear pair property. Angle BOC plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. BOC means 125 plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Angle COD is equal to 180 minus 125. Angle COD is equal to 50. Again in triangle OCD by angle sum property. Angle O plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle O plus angle C means, angle O means 55 degree. Angle C plus angle D means 70 degree is equal to 180. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 125. That is, angle C is equal to 55 degree. Angle C will also be 55 degree. Now, in triangle AOB by vertical opposite angle property, we have angle AOB is equal to 55 degree, and we have given that angle triangle ODC similar triangle OBA, that is angle B will also be 70 degree. Now angle A will be 55 degree. Again in triangle OAB, angle V is equal to angle D is equal to 70 degree, and angle AOV is equal to angle COD is equal to 55 degree by vertical opposite property. या डायरेक्ट लिख दिएगा वर्टिकल अपोजिट। नाउ बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी रूल, एंगल ए विल बी 55 डिग्री, एंगल ओ इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी 70 डिग्री प्लस ओ 55 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180, एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 55 डिग्री आल्सो, हैज प्रूव्ड। You can note down. Let's understand next question 3. Next, in question 3, we have given that ABCD is a trapezium in which side AB and CD are parallel and diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. By using similarity criterion for two triangles, we have to show that AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. For this, we have to prove that triangle DOC and triangle BOA will be similar triangles. Let's understand. We have in triangle DOC and triangle BOA, since side AB and CD are parallel, that is side that is diagonal BD will be a transversal line, that is angle ABD is equal to angle BDC by alternate interior property rule. Angle ABD, angle ABO is equal to angle ODC, alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angle. Again, triangle AOB is equal to angle DOC, vertically opposite angle. AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. By AAA criterion rule, by AAA similarity criterion, triangle DOC similar triangle BOA. Now into similar triangle sides will be in proportional, that is into similar triangle sides are in proportional, that is we can write that OD upon OB is equal to OC upon OA. Corresponding sides into similar triangles, corresponding sides are in proportional, that is OD upon OB is equal to OC upon OA. It can also written as OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Hence proved. You can note down. Let's understand next question 4. Let's understand question 4, in which we have given that QR upon QS means QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to prove that triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. It means we have to eliminate PR from the given point. PR is unnecessary to this condition. Let's understand. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That is triangle PQR will be an isosceles triangle. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is opposite sides of these angles will also be equal, means side PQ is equal to PR. That is PR can be eliminated by PQ, means QR upon QS, QT upon PQ. Side will be in ratio of triangle PQS and triangle TQR, and triangle Q is common and angle Q is common angle in both the triangles PQS and TQR. Hence triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. Let's in written. Let's understand in written. In triangle PQR, we have in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to angle R. That is triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. That is triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, means PQ is equal to PR. Now we have given that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Using first, that is PR can be eliminated by PQ. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. Hence, sides of two triangles PQS and TQR will be in proportional to corresponding sides, and angle Q is common in both the triangles PQS and TQR. Angle Q is equal to angle Q, common angle. Hence, by double A similarity criterion, PQS similar triangle TQR. Hence proved. This is an important question. Now you can note down. Let's understand next question 5, in which we have given that in a triangle PQR, 2 point S and T on PR and RQ respectively. Angle T is equal to angle P. So we have to prove that triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS, in which we have given that angle T is equal to angle P, and angle R in triangle RTS and triangle RPQ is common angle. By double A criterion rule, we can say that triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. Let's understand. We have given that angle RTS is equal to angle RPQ. Given angle SRT is equal to angle PRQ, common angle. By double A similarity criterion, triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. Very simple. In this class, we have done question 1 to 5. I hope you have understand that.